Ready.
Yeah, okay. See, I've been looking at mobile apps, and I wanted to, make a clear application that would affect the way the companies operate. And apart now, the Android movement is going great guns from the consumer side. But when it comes to enterprises, I think I notice there's some gap, and I've been trying to develop performance monitoring solutions that would minimize the need of expensive computers and data centers, so that people who are on the go, the field staff and the marketing and sales force, can be effectively monitored, and if there's a way to measure their performance, I think enterprises would be benefited. And few months ago, I decided that to choose an Android platform, because Android phones are cheaper, and where companies with large number of sales force, they will find it easy to have hundreds or thousands of Android phones distributed to their employees. So we came out with an app called Param Call Tracker, and this app runs in the background, and it may not even know, especially for less educated field staff, may not even know whether the app is running or not. Enterprise could give away, say, 100, 200 phones, even free of cost, to all their sales field staff. And once they do that, all the call history, both incoming and outgoing calls, the log of these calls, like the time, date, and also the place where they answered or made a call. Are, are they in Chennai, or are they in Bangalore, or the specific street? Are they in Mount Road or Cathedral Road? Even that information would be saved in an Excel file and sent on a periodic basis, like on a daily basis, to a centralized location, say a chief manager's account, or to the chairman or the managing director's email account. So based on this information, people can not only use it for controlling the security of an organization, but they could measure, and they can even develop new workflows. Like, if so many people receive calls from these numbers, they know a particular campaign that they did in Bangalore or Chennai works. So all the metrics and analytics can be developed based on this information, and it does away with the need for a data entry team, or collection of forms and filling up forms, because the staff, wherever they run, and they just go about doing their jobs, answering and making phone calls, and the information will be gathered seamlessly without any effort from anybody. So this is an app which I think would make a real difference to worldwide enterprise market, and I feel the next couple of months we are going to do a lot of field trials with various enterprises, and I'm hopeful that this will bring about a big change in governance and productivity of organizations.